na Dick na nugu asamda na oreka ofan oye SEDINA TAMAKLOE ya buta kakre na maba SEDINA TAMAKLOE na asambia na oreka nti yanko
Dan, you see, jungle state economy. No, about
junk state
economy. No, about yes, that was 2024. Damn economy. No growth or 6.2%.
How relevant is that one to the ordinary man on the street?
You are telling me that how relevant. So $12 CD, 12 CD, how relevant is it to street?
Yeah, the same question is.
You are dealing with facts, figures.
Because now you can plan.
Now, the member is 6.2. The member obage economic growth of 3.2. All is 6.2. Business confidence index. The man no yen. No 4.2.
Okay.
A crown obege if you come
so abeja to me there, mother.
Yeah, but fact if in there wins up with you.
Number flow.
The
They be big man as some technology war.
Yes.
Number flow, but man put that much what you say today. Odu baby at a point in time na it's there. You remember yes to the extent that economy no the entities now was a judge economy no the economy no we do level be yet in the or a junk states. I also agree that although one na inflation go over 50% no, the government started working on them and gradually it was dropping.
Okay, where I'm coming from. My making the
some
baby I made some about me under that government. But in all,
catch a gun of
Fado's government. Also, baby, I want you to beg. I want you to obey in 2017, we're doing better in growth.
Because
2018,
no, but
into 6 years, is a foundation will be late.
This year, 2026. This is our gains.
Our gains. We gains away. So, what argument? It's a Mama Suman baby, mechanic. 2017, you're by 2016 growth of 3.2. 2017, a movie of 4.2. You see, you can see the growth. Uncle, fast forward on SEDINA TAMAKLOE, aka Bim. Mommy, Papa, this is a case Woko quarter. A prima facie was established. You establish it there, my man fancy there. One more be. I did not call now point of correction. Okay, send me. Okay, boom from him. That Obama and this can remain. No cheap to me. Yes, of course. In construction, in the professor in construction. You were negligent of duty.
Oh yeah, honestly. Oh, your construction cutting.
I mean,
construction
law. Say, or there, if you supervise by 1:3:4 ratio. Now, kaya, and Bracho, as a consultant,
our food be
good. It is unnecessary. They discover women.
And son,
student. They make this kind of watch. Yes. Watch in accounting. Yes, in accounting student they are telling misappropriate of fund.
Misappropriation of funds.
Yes, and first can I call the you supervise it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't hear paying. I wouldn't hear overall boss. You account for under your stewardship. It's on here no there. Chatuchika token this kind Kafa be said boy if you are beaching over that Ghana and pay very to them. On Jesus could be a name number. As we discuss, propaganda power. No one tree. What's what Kafa Gizayadi at 7 Kumada? Gizayadi could fall in our Kafanaba, Obeko Eti. This, amen. What about Benima? Before some continue. No commercial do. Into high court of finding charges against them. Today, I'm surprised. Oxford had an attorney general Kade. My predecessor, he did a good case in Metro TV. The current Attorney General. Dominic Ayine. You see, the man.
Is it today?
Oh, I can't. Day 3 days ago.
Okay.
Stay a briefing, government BBB briefing. Also, that argument that's going around that my predecessor, and I said, wow, man, you are coming back. Oh, he did a nice case, but he disagreed with the appeals court. As government,
he has to prove it.
But yes, they can be communicated to Costa. Also, there my Maria no bogus. Na mama would not say me there. Do you know the woman's case well? You see, Mama get the politics into. Or she is Sikabu car boot. Or the man new operation director be. No so for 5 years.
It's never true. Prosecutor officer.
Prosecutor case.
What
high court case if you
follow.
But tell me plead bargain be with cheap.
Mama
renegotiation for what? Yes.
What can you
I'm different from the substance of the matter.
On a different
madam big ID. Oh, Madame Kunkro, in my debate or that go. Or share Sika, Masswork Sikana, young from Mount at a lower rate. I don't one from Makwala boom. One from a rate or more one Kasa. Okay, with your customers. Instead of that, the money to be paid back into an account. Occasion will come with you with the car boot. In that time, we I smell
savings and loans also won't pay no ayazi. I even think that man should have also been
pushed. There wasn't a count.
Or there wasn't a count because on Sikana I couldn't check no wasn't on the case Sikano.
Yes.
That's what is Sikana back. Why do you have to give them
money? It says fiscal man will be sent by the fiscal way.
That be more bank.
This is the way they are.
I don't want I also the same administration. Why the administration can to pay the money to Maswag account.
So I mean
abatement of crime. Abatement. In terms of the room to mission case in Joy FM, Joy News host were offending Samson. Also there, abatement okay, you go a site and so what are we doing?
Okay, I'm saying so I wasn't there. He agreed to serve as a witness.
Yes. So because of that, the crime okay, state in Bugu. Even the Samson is disagreed at Attorney General.
Yeah.
And crime has no expiry.
Yes.
That guy will be tried in this country.
Never mind.
It's my kind of mommy case in the war trial in 2024. No do do into a second. No quite cheap. Remember Papa B. Cabana on your confused remember. Or when you're trying in absentia. Do you know? That is why some of us are telling you that if only it is true that we have fact in Yemiko too. I thank God now Attorney General is now behaving as I know him. That all I know what the Ben Yankoti into more repeat him why man. Who said that will be some Ghana with this car, one check it. All this is maybe into what is my beef. But you should can papa do. That is why some of us are saying support us this 6th August on democracy under attack. Because tomorrow it will be you. Now obi asmo money. No do. Wabas every about appointing with transitional team against the incumbent transitional team at a meeting. Papa, mo do do. Me pray mo kwa me kasa mo yare baba. Oh, permission granted. Ko na demi de bra. Okay. Uncle, I want ka baba. Ami ko bra. Uncle be me say dem we see kwem bio. Do you know why? Do you know why me say abi we?
No.
Mo wana me say mo yare ba na me time no shade am aban. Na wo ko mi fie. Ko ransack mi fie. A soldier folk kin kwai.
They threw the Kasa.
What do kwai? Na my beautiful Matilda. wo pie ni gire nchen wo be ben hira so wo de na ka wo papa said wo de na ka wo atma se mo fu se so we wo ye ni yan we so 5000 wo de musun da so se won so be na hwenu wo wala da man se wo fa ka wo yo kwai
50,000 another 5,000.
What's 5,000?
What's
Ghana cedis. I'm not the one saying it. Then, no one must ye. It's remember Ghana, I don't want to be any. I'm paying for one Ghana, but Yam the Muska Kappa.
When in the book or no,
when you book on allege. It's a one that's a score. I'll be and try that pedal, but another photo and credit. Damaza, about the member. Damaza, try me now. Essential, my ready to answer you. Today, you can even call court in video. No way, some. Okwa brochi so mo ko tie no ho te what tie no ho na brain so se no mo ko court yekida tie asem brain so do the client and or the moment na kwa Ghana because go be say court or the video so we ransack this is why I'm telling court don't grant them extra
commentary what pass
yes so don't allow him to go.
I think that is the mistake.
That is the mistake and I tell you is now accepting it.
Sometimes we do
obi the game is cars e kono wo for when
judging on public in the public opinion
ibi no say we bu anfo
asan yes na ko
we bu anfo it's obaba it's our rather now cause financial loss because so any kono we do money skin o hye no wo no also try ni na try e be say no lawyers be dey am be by so yeah case management you decide on how you go by the case major box minjina box e be shout or say girl India in man chance no opportunity do odan ko beji no ba abra wo ko do memu ko mo 77 kwa na odan ko beji na box who said odo beji box your case management yes Jemensa case management in being there every beji box no akasa na you answer it by written
chachi don ya bo tetem boss mo aba jinabo aba witness box na
because of case management in the one year case management
you see this don't go
but what can your case management chachi request not granted
since everything was road because
I don't know I'm going there. You see, law is a nice program. Say you come to understand certain things. Also there, law, court, box. When we get there, Obaba, now we go and do case management. Case management, we decide that you're better now court. Also, I'm a member. No one assembly baby samen
na ka fa man ka black dictionary ba you see man yan ko ye you voice work
awana wa je be propaganda eli e propaganda nti o no ya no there assembly baby ma e baby samen ma mejira box na makabia I'll put it in written to the court and she did that and it's the same obejira box one ko back in letter he said no so oya the man now yes now SEDINA okay abanana nkede okwenti yes can on show because ka ohye no e bufu
90 million
yes in project to me kwamina
$57 million
and Ghana watch senior
sika na me so so
agent for Dani carrying agent for meeting carrying agent na abento oba kufa do kan won wa meeting atas watch carrying agent suffer him or ma him emina John German na wa tani carrying agent fun ya won o ma him no mo bonche wona wa clear one Senate wa clear Senate Unibank wa clear SEDINA wa clear oh embo enyim go for wa clear one
mama uncle
Akufa do court
and so the same thing
but mama court
but Akufa do court but mama no court
let our judicial system work.
That's is why our democracy is under attack.
Contributing every
That is why the democracy of this country more than a decade and over. Watching one watching 6 times. One watching 6 times.
Captain Smart
watching 6 times.
No,
watching 6 times.
6 times a day.
Captain Smart. Wagana. Debena.
You see.
And okay. You see. It will be the castle with TV and watch our children.
Bigman.
Oh, for us. I think they will take Captain sometimes.
Mama Bissau,
democracy is under attack.
Where do we go from here?
We have to fight for democracy. Let's reinstate Ghana's democracy. I'm fight 17 months. I'm not destroy democracy of Ghana.
Maybe some are actually, but in a minute or two, no. Emma, it's maybe I say.
And when am I
where do we go from here? You better than that. You just delivery system, no. Yeah, she mukana. Na ye I want them ko fe bieni unia I want unia de
na ye one say democracy
obet ya botar obet na fie ha obakere NDC ayedam MPP ayedam always blame game na yama justice say you deliver a case mpo wo court mpo nimpa na we lose nimpo no obet sign of the cross akade judge we is asam mamala mu dem lose correct case. Can we get to that level?
Oh, we are on that level. Just that if you want to feed there, as some no, because of public perception, also no kode one kode anti judge court na fair. But if the court system now, the rule of the game is evidence. It has evidence is also approved beyond reasonable doubt. In Quran, what's the animal gave what shahada? I mean, I could not go to know you. Beyond reasonable doubt, because it is a court system. In your say you do there, your court system, the way of operating, that is all.
We're able to provide evidence.
Yeah, they will provide evidence.
Practical evidence.
Practical evidence.
A prima facie published.
What is democracy?
We have
prima facie
we have just 5 minutes to
God damn, you destroy Ghana's democracy.
Into no offer 2 minutes now.
I go for destroy Ghana's democracy. One from the council runners privileges as former vice president. You see. What every president when it's a visit, didn't regret for doing that.
Nobody was that.
Yes, and the one is attorney general. Because you have to tell the president today, you are young boss, no catch a president, you are young bra. I'm a son of attorney general.
Dick, more fancy. First, waka 1 minute per. First, na yanko. First.
Judicial system no. Yeshem kena. After that, President Mam Wapan judge be more to work at the Dama judge. He cannot to a party. And they walk at it. But I'm contest MPP primaries. Masa mo gogo actually. And Zama, yes, because in Zama all could do a man quiet tan.
Martin.
And no one when you got to come Kasa. And the people got to Kasa where money. For what punishment or that punishing impact. You put demonstration keke stop galam say. So what you want 2 weeks? What can I do one now? Just what galam say.
Olivana.
2 weeks. What can I do one? Just for demonstration. Just for demonstration. What are you talking about? We did not wear that. We did not to TV3 wear that. We did not to TV3 wear that. Concept. You have got to come and speak in this country. You have no moral right to talk about moral issues in this country.
As I see, Dick. where do we go from here?
What maybe a year or the year coin there? As long as I mean I will let him. Yeah, fight democracy now. What the war be put them in. Yeah, my John Dramani Mama on said. Then you be protected. So join us on 6th of August.
Nobody will go on this useless.
But I'm going myself.
You are not going.
How?
I will not dip your house.
Since January, Saturday, you will not dip your house. How?
Okay. Constitutional Review Commission, a committee on issues. No, Ochina ne yebaje mre ya chechim ono no ye politics. Nti ye member ye propaganda. Na ye member ye blame game. Wa ha. Ochina
assembly members so otie one.
So otie do match.
Enyo say
right now last year quarter
this year first quarter and work second quarter.
Do you know they have a race in common?
Do you
know they have a race in common?
Some is on common fund arrest is in there or it is do you dream of becoming a professional broadcaster, news reporter, presenter, camera operator, or video editor? Then the opportunity is for you. This opportunity is for you. Kasa TV Multimedia Production presents a 6-week intensive radio and TV training program designed to equip you with practical media skills for today's competitive industry. Participants will be trained in the following programs and courses. News gathering, news gathering. Kuna be for that. Bobo and samano na ama amensanyi na watu wonka. News reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling. Tema prepare no jina yechi ya ochinchim oye camera yi. Obechiro. Nti obia na neze awoz ne camera, epede handle camera, ebechiro. Epede ye video and audio editing na no so ebechiro. News writing, voice training and diction. About chiro, how for that? One's never customer wire radiogenic. Intino, any nano as I about interview techniques. Ever for the baby and some also ask intelligent questions. Then we'll teach you all these acts. Nina, digital journalism, media ethics, media law. Na nunca come be brave, na able to me actually. Na more do mumpo in there. Says a 6 months training ye your partner radio stations in the media houses including Costa TV in internship until we say human also na appointment letters also or the whole azimo into was not to anamona Costa TV na badge form na fail na fabra na share them training nasi and also the free or 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 Costa TV Multimedia Production, training the next generation of media professionals. Training starts on the 8th of September. Until 8th September, na training is actually scheduled. I have the next generation of media professionals. I have one hazi. Until Mamazna meant na honu tranamon. Find a job in the media space. Na obotumu abobe brave. Ahana nyambe na dom mezi na kasa jumezi is a see there was there because if you know as was TV neza to hammer abribia no ehwen yame adoma echina me dick no anye Bigman we are here on the same show me dem ochinaze nyina eba bantam na so that we'll get enough time to digest the issue echinaze na no less politics more nationalistic and more nationalism no ochina yere ba abaye enyo nti ochina yebaka oye Constitutional Review Committee one report no ALHASSAN nti make a date ma say report nzi oye issues na was abana government ajatum proposals no they are the ones that we are going to discuss proposals no because that is the major issue on board. Today was this is elections. Is it a good thing? President Neze what's the phone call 5 years instead of 4 years? Is it a good thing? A separate parliament from the executive aha ni nyina oye issues na yeba baka ho asam ya cheche na adwene ho na ya hwe I believe that ya share in democracy no mukena aha ni nyina no okan I believe that a review no the constitution is an ohia pa e be some pain powers a example no doso yente do ni nyina ya baka ho asam ochina nyamoboa nti make a date with us tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock where we'll bring you another edition of Kasa current affairs program discussion mizenze dani nyame ya aduma ochina e besan so ehia I don't want to say ya crown one bye bye